still several anonyally, aiding God's next tea boronine, or just in God's one forgive Jesus.
Maria, their son, named Kechubu, Reverend Ninja, Amen.
Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share, right? Hit the subscribe button right here. Remember to check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip hop and Igbo culture. Why I must tell you every morning is that, it's not easy. It is not easy. Okay, get it. It took a lot of, a step. It took a lot of thousands of steps before we got here. So I must talk about it, and it is a big it is a big achievement, and we must recognize that. And I'm not saying it because it is me. I'm saying it because this course across our culture is trying to point out something that is very important to our race, to the black race. To the black race. That's what it is. So check it out on Amazon.com. Hip hop and Igbo culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifan Quick is it's also available at St. Michael's Catholic Church, Abacha. Also available at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Umunya. Or you come to a born at the 103 of What do go say? Let's do it now. The news.
Otito dịrị nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ. Otito dịrị nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ. Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga. Ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa.
Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ, Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Amen.
Good morning and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Tuesday, the 7th day of May, 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ifan Shuku Ekezie is my name. The headlines. Monarch commends Governor Soludo over empowerment of general hospitals. Abia, get ready to refund airport project money. Other looted funds. Oti tells Ibazo. Anambra Cleric conferred with chieftaincy title on Father's Sunday. 2 workers confirmed dead. 53 still trapped after South Africa building collapse. Now, details. Monarch commends Governor Soludo over empowerment of general hospitals. The paramount ruler of Nobi community, His Royal Majesty Igwe Engineer Modumnik Obi, has toured the community's general hospital to see the medical equipment distributed to the hospital by Anambra State Governor Professor Charles Soludo. Igwe Obi was received by the community women leader, Lady Ifeyunma Nekwelugo. Chief Medical Director of the hospital, Dr. Caleb Maduneme. A stakeholder equipment included 2 oxygen trolleys, 2 sterilizers, autoclave, 1 theater light, 4 stainless waste bins, 4 adjustable theater stools, 5 ward screens, 1 instrument trolley, 2 instrument tables, 1 angle poised lamp, 4 sterilizing drums, 4 patience monitors, 2 suction machines, 10 drip stand, 1 stretcher, 1 incubator tray, 1 CS set. Igwe Nick Obi, who commended Governor Soludo, noted that the equipment would help the medical officers to discharge their duties effectively. He said that Governor Soludo's commitment to a revamping health sector is part of his administration's mega solution agenda. Abia, get ready to refund airport project money, other looted funds. Oti tells Ibazo. Abia State Governor Alex Oti has told the immediate past administration in the state, headed by Okeze Ibazo, to get ready to return looted funds, including money budgeted for the airport project. Oti, who was reacting to the report of the forensic audit of the state's accounts, said his administration is not fighting anybody but is only interested in recovering looted funds in a bid to ensure good governance. The governor spoke at Mbosi during a solidarity visit by supporters and loyalists of the member representing Isiarangba South State Constituency, Woland Chinwendo. He stressed that what he wants is the progress and development of other states, emphasizing that since the airport was not executed, the project money should be refunded. Oti expressed dismay that some people are insulting him in the media because he disclosed the findings of the forensic audit report. The governor described the solidarity visit by Chinwendo and his supporters as a good omen. Anambra Cleric conferred with Chieftaincy title on Father's Sunday. As with many holidays we celebrate today, Father's Day began as a primarily religious observance, a traditional Catholic holiday celebrating fatherhood. Father's Day has been recognized in some way dating back to the Middle Ages. On the 5th of May 2024, as Catholics all over the world celebrates, the Children of Jesus Abandoned Charity Home celebrated the founder of the home and school of numerous disabled children in Orifite, Anambra State, Abuja, and Australia. During the celebration at Jesus Abandoned Charity Home Orifite, Reverend Father Anthony Chebe Anangma was conferred with the chieftaincy title of Anyanguna Walora Nine by Igwe Dr. Martin Sugu, Igwe Otabilonya Nwannia of Owerri Ezioba Autonomous Community in Nsukka, Enugu State. Here is a report. Please take a listen.
As Catholics all over the world celebrated Father's Sunday on 5th of May 2024, the lesser privileged children of Jesus Abandoned Charity Home celebrated Reverend Father Anthony Chebe Anangma for establishing such a home that caters for them as members of High Chief led by His Royal Highness Igwe Martins Ugu Igwe Otabilonya Nwannia, one of Owerri Ezioba Autonomous Community in Nsukka, Enugu State, conferred a chieftaincy title on Reverend Father Anthony Chebe Anangma at Jesus Abandoned Charity Home, Orifite.
Brother Chidi Anthony Anangwa tata ka mụ bụ igwe ọtabụrụ onye nwa ọbọba Nsukka na-eji ikike jikọrọ Igbo niile were ejighị anyanwụ na-awara ọra niile a na-akụkọ aka ebe a.
In appreciation, the cleric affirmed that the title Anyanwu Nawalora 1 came about as a result of his work with Jesus Abandoned Charity Home Orifite, Abuja, and Australia, place where any disabled child gets help irrespective of tribe, gender.
Extra pounds weather. Anyanwụ na-awara ọha niile. N'afọrọ, etu anyị si enyere ndị mmadụ aka, nwere eje Katọlik, eje Agrịka, ma ọ bụ onye ọgọ mmụọ nwere ụka, anyị na-enyere onye ọbụla aka. Skuulu m bidoro ebe a. tupu nyebe ya ụka free education adị akwụkwọ ma adị akwụkwọ. Every Sunday anyị na-eke ife ebe a na-eke ndị mmadụ ma rice ma garị n'agbanyeghị ihe esi yes exactly ya maka maka eji rụọ ya so na m werekwa ya ma moto dị ya nyefee ụka.
The Igwe of Oworisioba, Igwe Martins, who led the members of the High Chief to the occasion of chieftaincy title conferment on Reverend Father Anthony Chidi, Anambra explains why the Catholic priest was chosen for the title of Anyanwu na Warora. Can you please read the side?
If I may, Abro Ego, if I may, when medicine and chichi, what I'm on Ego, ọ na-eji isi onye nwere ego nwere ego maka nchi si echichi agụbali ọfọ ụfọ na agaba so ọ bụ ọzọ echichi bụ okwu n'ime isi okwu okwu n'ime isi agụbali gị ọfọ sibere gị ọfọ na ọfọ jikọrọ igbo niile ife na emewe gabalị so na ọ bụrụ ego ka anyị
On the occasion of Father's Sunday celebration, Reverend Father Anthony Chedi, as well as Igwe Martins Ugu, explains why mothers are celebrated more than fathers.
Ma ọ bụ otu o si dị n'ala Igbo ndị mmadụ na-aga alachapụrụ nne anya karịa nna which is not correct maka a na-eberi Igbo nọọ nne ka nọdụ nso nne ka adịkwa nne ka enye aka ya bụrụkwa na ndị nne bebe akwa ọgwụgwọ ụka ka nnọdụ ụdị azụ ndị nne ọba na-adị ụfọdụ Igbo nne nke a nne bụ nne mana nkebe eziokwu bụ ụka nne ụzọ bido ya ọka na mkpokọta time ụka nna ga-ekirikọta
ihe mere ụka nna iwe na-adị ka ọ dị ha bụ na ndị be nna bụ n'isi erika nne bụ oriakụ nna bụ kpata akụ anyị nwa kpatife enyeme ụka nne kpatife enyeme ụka nna ego ụka nna ọkwa anyị nwa bụkwa nna ga-agbagharịkwa mkpụkọta bụ ụka nna agbasara ụka adịrị iche echichi so anyị nwere ife dị iche iche anyị na-agasị
From Jesus Abandoned Charity Home, Orifite, Ekusugo Local Government Area of Anambra State, Martin Epanchukwu Ekeze reporting.
Now we move over to the foreign scene. 2 workers confirmed dead, 53 still trapped after South Africa building collapse. A multi-story apartment building under construction collapsed Monday in a coastal city in South Africa, killing 2 construction workers and leaving 53 trapped under the rubble, authorities said. An additional 20 workers were pulled from the mangled wreckage of the building and were being treated for injuries at various hospitals, city authorities said. The building collapse happened just in the city of George, about 250 miles east of Cape Town on South Africa's south coast. Hours later, more than 100 emergency personnel were at the site and were likely to walk through the night using sniffer dogs to try and locate survivors, some of whom were feared buried under huge slabs of concrete claimed from nearby towns and cities. They were expected to reach the site at about midnight. There were 75 workers at the building site when it collapsed, and family and friends were gathered at the nearby municipal offices waiting for news, the municipality said. This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Ebona at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Monarch commends Governor Soludo over empowerment of general hospitals. Abia, get ready to refund airport project money. Other looted funds, Oti tells Ibazo. Anambra Cleric Conferred with Chieftaincy title on Father's Sunday. 2 workers confirmed dead, 53 still trapped after South Africa building collapse. You just listened to news updates on Ebonade 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good morning.
Listen to news updates on Ebonade 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebonade FM breaks the news with actualities.
And believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu Ekeze as Anambra the First. Metal of Ebona, the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonia, or at Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You can also get this book at the Catechist office in St. Michael's Catholic Church, Abacha, or you go to www.amazon.com. Search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu Ekeze. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonade FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be,
Our government,
whatever. Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu as Anambra the First, every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebonade 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face on Emasne Ebonade 24/7, 24/7. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebonade 103.5 FM with Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu Ekeze every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonade 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/GistFM every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Shay, one them say no more. A problem is in Abada Tigo, no Anambra State in a jet, one of the local Jagana residency hotels near Fino, Gidi, one night a million mature more with the Manzo, one night, if a Demade, one night, if you ever got a room or a journey for you, where you see luxuriously furnished rooms and suites at the moment, and they are in their kitchen. never see if any women I can see if you say if even one of their outdoor arena where you can even have all types of events from wedding down to birthday party from Nana and men. I'm for a very clean swimming pool of one residency hotels. They'll feel giving ordinary a very serene and secured environment at kilometer 13 Old Onitsha Enugu Express Road. You can also call them for reservation on 081 40 933 512. Residency Hotels Leofino Gidi. If I can ever on one more. Say no more.
Go! It's the morning drive on 103.5 Airborne.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifeanyi Chukwueze. All right. It's also available at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonia, and also available at St. Michael's Abacha Catholic Church, Abacha. Check it out. All right. You rock. I'll see you soon again. Now.